VA's non-paid work experience program provides eligible veterans with hands-on training and practical work experience at federal, state, and local government municipalities through Veteran Readiness and Employment, or VRNE. These opportunities are generally developed for 6 months and are based on agency participation and veterans' interest. Although the positions are considered non-paid by the participating employer, veterans will receive a monthly VRNE training benefit throughout the program's duration. Veterans in a non-paid work experience, or NPWE, program may be eligible for non-competitive hire by the employer once their program participation ends. VA offers a wide range of NPWE opportunities that are great for veterans with specific career goals and those in need of general work experience. For example, VA's Office of Connected Care offers an NPWE position as a peer training specialist at a VA Virtual Health Resource Center. These centers are located within VA medical facilities. A peer training specialist is a highly trained technology expert who supports daily operations within the Virtual Health Resource Center, or VHRC. A veteran in this role interacts with members of the VA healthcare system, as well as other veterans, their family members, and caregivers to support the use and adoption of virtual care tools and technologies. This includes, but is not limited to, providing technology support and installing, configuring, and troubleshooting digital health tools. Veterans working in a VHRC learn and practice valuable skills related to coaching, interviewing techniques, tactics for learning assessments, documentation, networking, and more. To be considered for the NPWE program, veterans must first apply online for VA's Veteran Readiness and Employment Program through the website on screen or the URL in the YouTube description of this video. Before applying, veterans should check that they meet the preliminary eligibility requirements listed on the VRNE website. Veterans who meet all requirements for VRNE services will be assigned a vocational rehab counselor to develop an individualized written rehabilitation plan. The counselor and the veteran will work together to determine if the NPWE program is the best avenue to obtain employment for the veteran.
After being approved for Veteran Readiness and Employment Benefits, I participated in a 6-month non-paid work experience program as a peer training specialist for tele-oncology. During my time in the program, I connected with veterans and introduced apps that could help them better manage their healthcare. Before the program ended, I secured a position as a patient advocate with the VA. The non-paid work experience helped me reintegrate into the workforce after being unemployed for 8 years. And the skills I acquired from the NPWE position made transitioning to a full-time position seamless. Now I am a veteran service representative and continue to do what I love most, which is helping fellow veterans.
Visit the Veteran Readiness and Employment page for more information on eligibility requirements and guidance on applying for benefits.